Okay everyone, welcome back to episode 2 of the YTPMVs. So today we're going to make a pitch source into an instrument. We're gonna make a video into an instrument video pitch. So as you can see, I brought these sources to make it as instruments. For the example, I had to make an instrument of this, so these are the video examples of this because I dragged them to here. Okay, what you're gonna do is go to the files. If you have the video, you can select any video you want. Okay, now first, this is the example of this. This is why. So since before we started, I'm going to drag this into this and release it like here, and it can be added, but I'm going to undo it. I'll try again. Or by the way, and also another way, when you drag this video into here, and then it's automatically added, and then just click no. Okay, and there you have it. But watch carefully. Go any video you want, hold left click and move the mouse, drag it into here and release the left click, and then click no or yes, or if you want to. Okay, and then it has the adding ones, and there it is. But I'm not gonna do this for this source for now, but I'm gonna try to do the keyboard 9000, which is this. For example, I will show you the video of this source on this, for example. Okay, I should turn off the BGM, so here it goes. Okay, now yeah, as you can see, it has the note, right? So anyways, I'm going to show you another footage of this. As you can see, this can be used as an instrument. So anyway, I'm gonna make this into an example. Like, as you can see, this looks like a source. Alright, now okay, first I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna click it here, and then I'm gonna press it, the spacebar. But I'm gonna do this later. But hey, you know, you can add video tracks. If you want to insert the video track, just right click on this video and then you can install like this. But I'm gonna undo it, and when I right click on this, it says insert audio track. For the shortcut, you can just press Ctrl Q, or if you want to insert the video track, you can just press Ctrl Shift Q. And if you click in this area, you can open insert video track and insert audio track and video track, and you can go preferences and the open files. So I'm not gonna do this for now, and you can also drag this into here, and then it will automatically add into this, just like that. So anyways, now I'm gonna click here and I press space. Okay, I found the page source. Now I'm gonna have to right click, and as you can see, this is a trim start and the trim add and the split and the delete. So what I'm gonna do is to trim the start like this, or I'm gonna Control Z, or you can drag it here like that. Just as simple. And you can trim it to the end like this, or drag it into here, just like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna right click and trim start. Now we have and click on. So you know split tool. Split tool is when you split like this. For a shortcut, press S. But when the non-shortcut is when you right click, go to split like this. I'm just gonna press S key for shortcut, just like that, and then this one like this. So I'm gonna do it Z. I'm just gonna press Ctrl Z to undo this. Okay, now, but this one, when I press play, it's like that. It goes like this. So I'm gonna undo this right now. So anyways, what I'm going to do is, when I click this area on here and I right click and go to trim the end, and I'm gonna drag it like here, here. Just like that. So now you have a one instrument. But this one is no echoed. So if you want to make this echo and reverb, you can click on this. But this one is different, right? So I'm gonna try click this track FX. As you can see, these are different, but I'm not gonna set this up, and I'm not going to change it. Anyways, go to plugin chain right here, and as you can see, there's lots of audio effects. Once you do, just now go to Express FX Reverb and double click it. As you can see, when it's marked in here, then click OK. Now you have this setting, but let's try out. Hear that? Yeah, it's a little bit of echo and a little bit of reverb. So what if I can make it reverb 100%, room size 0, listeners to 100%. Now let's see how it goes. 3, 2, 1. Hear that? That's how the pitch of the reverb works. So now you have one instrument right here. Well, the next part we're going to do is the pitch shift. Pitch shift is used for the YTPMVs. You can change the pitch like high or low. Okay, to change the pitch shift, all you got to do, you have to see the two keys of minus and plus. Look to your keyboard and make sure you have to look at the minus and plus symbols. Minus is the pitch decrease and the plus is the pitch increasement. So when I press the plus symbol like this, it goes like, then it goes like this. If I press it 3 times plus 1, it goes like this. And when I hold the plus symbol, it increases. It goes like this, but the maximum is 24 and the minimum is negative 24. So when I press the minus, when I press minus key like this, and then I press minus key, it goes like this. If I decrease it all the way down, when I press the minus, it's negative 24 and it's the maximum. So plus 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 and minus 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 minus, just like that. But as you can see, when I right click on this audio track and then I click properties, you can see this is the stretch attribute is efficient and the method is elastic. But as you can see, it's a pitch change. But I'll try set it to 0. Then when I set it to 0, it goes back to normal. Okay, so that's how the pitch works. So yeah, when I'm gonna try to stretch it like this, and then when I'm gonna try, but make sure, let's try note followings. Right now, as you can see, when I press the plus symbol, and when you had to follow the note like this, make sure the pitch note is right, and make sure you have to follow the note. When I press, I'll press play. As you can see, it's perfect. The pitch is perfect. Then move on to another one. Okay, go to this track, copy and paste, and then you can see it goes through like this, well, just like that. And if you want to add the flipping parts, so it needs to add a flipping part. So when you right click on the second track and I video event pan or crop, you can see this. Yeah, this is a sync cursor, but I'm not going to use the sync cursor, so you have to focus carefully on this. So make sure I'm gonna turn this off, because I don't want it to ruin, like it's gonna be like confusing like that. Okay, just like this. So now, anyways, now right click on this and go to flip horizontal. But if you want to reset it, if the shape goes wrong, if it's completely wrong, you can just restore it back to normal. Or if it's like this, you can just center it or restore. Okay, now you can flip to horizontal like this, just like that. But if I flip back to horizontal and then flip to vertical, horizontal again, when I flip horizontal, vertical, and yeah, just like that. So I'm gonna kick it, flip horizontal like that. Now next one, I'm going to click this here and hold shift and click into another track, Control C copy and Control V to paste it down. Okay, now I'm gonna drag it here. it's good, right? Now, when it's the same note like this, you just click this, shift click here and copy, and Control V paste, or you can paste it with no shortcut, so like that. But I'm not gonna do over it like this. And there you go. It's done. But okay, now we're gonna move on to episode 3. So this is how the pitch works. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode on pitch part 3. And also, when I mute this track, okay, almost forgot. When I okay, so you can see there's some little bit of mistakes. I just made mistakes, so sorry. Anyway, so as you can see, once it's done, it goes like this. Yeah, it's a little bit confusing on the pitch, so I'm gonna keep it like this. So alright guys, thank you guys. So as you can see, when it's done, it's ready and it's good. Now I'm going to save this. Okay, now when you're done, great job. Now you done it. Now you can make your own song. So episode 3 is going to come soon. Soon. So stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, share the video to your friends. So okay, that's all for now. I'll see you in the episode 3. So goodbye. Thank you for watching.